In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Google Drive to Microsoft Outlook so you can quickly attach files stored in the cloud without downloading them first. By the end, you'll be able to connect your Google account, give Outlook the right permissions, and start attaching Drive files directly to your emails. Let's start from inside Microsoft Outlook. Go ahead and open Outlook on your computer or in your browser, depending on how you normally access your email. Make sure you're signed in with the Outlook account where you want to use Google Drive, because the connection you set up will be associated with this account. Once Outlook is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear symbol. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. A menu or panel should slide out, showing some quick settings at the top and usually a link to see all settings. If you see an option to open all Outlook settings or something similar, click that so you have access to the full list of configuration options. Within the settings area, look for the section labeled Mail. This is where you'll find options related to composing, sending, and managing your email. Click on Mail to expand those mail-specific settings. From there, you want to locate the subsection for attachments. This section controls how files are handled when you add them to an email, including cloud storage options like Google Drive. After you've opened the attachment settings, you should see different services or storage options that Outlook can connect to. Look specifically for the Google Drive icon. When you find it, click the icon to start the connection process. Outlook will now redirect you to a Google sign-in page or open a small window asking you to sign in. At this point, sign into your Google account using your usual login details. Make sure you choose the Google account that contains the files you want to access from Outlook. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you might just be asked to confirm which account you want to connect. Once you've selected the right Google account, Google will show you a permissions screen. This screen explains what Outlook is asking to do, such as viewing and managing files in your Google Drive so that it can attach them to your emails. Take a moment to read through these permissions just to be sure you're comfortable with the level of access being requested. When you're ready, click the option to allow or grant permission. This step is required. Without granting permission, Outlook won't be able to access your Drive files. After you've granted access, the connection between Google Drive and Outlook is set up. From now on, when you compose a new email in Outlook and click to add an attachment, you should see Google Drive listed as one of your options. Choose Google Drive and a window or panel will appear showing your Drive folders and files. Navigate through your Drive just like you normally would in Google Drive. Find the file you want to include, click to select it, and then confirm that you want to attach it to your email. Outlook will either attach a link to the file or, depending on your settings, treat it as a cloud attachment. Once it appears in your message, you can finish writing your email and send it as usual. That's all there is to it. You've linked Google Drive to Microsoft Outlook and can now attach files straight from your Drive, saving time and keeping everything organized in the cloud.